Hi guys, this is Keith Sparks here with ICT Muscle Joint Clinic, and today we're talking about a fantastic exercise for the shoulder girdle, waiter walks. Today we are seeing an increased rise in overhead lifting, which is fantastic for the fitness industry. Problem is, many people live and work in a sedentary lifestyle where we're behind a desk all day long, and then expect to go throwing up heavy weight over our heads without training program to get us to that final position. So the waiter walk is fantastic because it gets our shoulder up into an upward rotated position to work on programming to get to a higher position. So we're going to cover that today, okay? A couple things to note while we're doing this exercise. First, when I'll be walking and showing you is I want you to keep your rib cage down. The importance is we don't want to start breaking and relying on the bony articular compression to create the tension. We want our muscles, our core engaged, activated for proper positioning. Second, when we bring the weight up, we want to create a solid 90 degrees between our shoulder, 90 degrees between our elbow, and a neutral wrist. This is very, very important, and this is one reason why I really prefer the kettlebell over a dumbbell. So, you can bring the weight up into a couple different ways. This is a traditional waiter's walk, where you see where my wrist, if you can you see that? Rachel, can you see it? Where it's in a good neutral position, or the other version, so it's an upside down carry, and I prefer this one. You'll have to use lighter weight, but it will challenge the shoulder a lot more because the weight is farther away from the center of mass. And this is it. You can already see my shoulder is starting to shake from it. So, very simple as we go through this. Keep the head nice and tall, rib cage down, bring the weight up into a front rack position. If you want to turn it, great, go for it. That's what I like doing. Bring the press up. One cue I don't want you to do here is I don't want you to activate the lat and pull the shoulder down. That decentrates or puts the shoulder in a bad position. So the lats are a great muscle to have, but they're also a faulty muscle. When all your other shoulder girdle muscles aren't working right, your lat turns on. So you'll hear that a lot is engage the lat. Problem with that is when we're in an upward rotated position with our shoulder blade, our lat should actually be turned off and our serratus anterior should be holding our scapula up against our rib cage. So instead of pulling down, what I just want you to think about is pushing the weight forward. I don't want to see your shoulder move. I just want to see you push it forward, okay? So it'll look like this. Not down, but pushing forward. And I'm just holding it here. From that, we're just going to walk. Very, very simple. Core down, press up, 90-90, straight wrist, and walk. And drop the weight. So, there again, this is Keith Sparks with ICT Muscle Joint Clinic covering the waiter walk. If you guys have any questions or comments, please post them below and we'd love to address them. Thank you.